Okay, so what all do you need to just clean your phone? Now, I won't tell you to buy the whole supermarket. You just need to have your phone, of course, the one which you want to clean, a microfiber cloth, the one which you get with your goggles and sunglasses, and a sanitizer. Okay, a couple of tips. Before going and grabbing some random sanitizer from the market or your home to clean your phone, make sure that it has only 70% of alcohol content in it, like the one I have here. Now, this is not just me shouting some random numbers at you, it is Apple who says that your sanitizer should only have 70% of alcohol while cleaning your phone. And tip number two, use this a silicone case. I mean, silicone cases are cheap, they are durable, they are easy to wash, and they protect your phone. So, yeah.
We do have one more thing.
Don't forget to use a tempered glass on your phone. I mean, they are very cheap, they protect your phone, and yes, they protect your phone both physically and from sanitizers. Now, wet one corner of the microfiber cloth with the 70% alcohol containing sanitizer. Rub it well and apply it to your phone. Make sure that the sanitizer won't seep into the ports, the microphone, the earpiece, or the speaker. Clean it gently. Now, after cleaning all the corners of the phone, all the sides of the phone, just wipe the wet sanitizer, the dry part of the microfiber cloth. And boom, you're done. Your phone is COVID free, corona free,